Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over another month of Scentbox. If you guys don't know what Scentbox is, definitely stay tuned for this video and check out my other videos where I've also uncovered plenty of other fantastic fragrances. Scentbox is where scent happens, guys. And I actually get the premium subscription, the ultra premium, where I get 2 fragrances and I have the ability to get the premium fragrances as well. So that's the ultra premium subscription, so I get 2 fragrances for $32.95 each month, tax and all. And the other day it actually came out of my bank account and I was actually getting excited because it's actually one of the only things that I get excited about when I have to pay for it, because when I pay for it I know that it's about to be on the way. So very excited and can't wait to actually show you what I got in here. I got 2 super bangers, very highly rated male fragrances in today's box, so let's check it out. Both of them are in blue cases, but I like this brushed blue, which I have received in multiple other fragrances that I've gotten as well. And this one I think I've received before, but I think this one is like a matte finish, like a matte blue. Both of them look really nice. And for the first fragrance that we're going to be going over, it's going to be the 212 VIP by Carolina Herrera. And we're going to go ahead and spray it on one of these shirts and do a fragrance test as well. But outside of the bottle, just first glance, first little sniff that I got, an amazing fragrance. Let's go ahead and take us a little spray. Go ahead and pump it a couple times. Oh, actually that one had a good spritz right out of the gate. First of all, the inspiration is sought amongst New York youth, those young, stylish, modern, and creative people, always ready for fun. 212 VIP is glamorous and exclusive in its composition, which was developed by the perfumer Alberto Morales, inspired by the energetic life of New York metropolis, the city that never sleeps. Fresh aromas of seductive rum and passion fruit from the beginning of the compositions will take you to the musk and gardenia heart, and into the soft base of vanilla and tonka bean. And right now it is starting to reach me right at the perfect moment, and it smells fantastic, actually starting to make the room smell absolutely amazing. But up close, once you get into the range, that gardenia smells absolutely amazing. And like it says, that seductive rum and passion fruit in the beginning of the composition, absolutely fantastic. And then automatically straight to that vanilla and tonka bean. Definitely a 10 out of 10 on the Carolina Herrera 212 VIP, guys. So alright guys, now since we got our first fragrance out of the way, let's go ahead and move on to our second fragrance. But first, I'm going to give you all a little bit of a disclosure. This video is sponsored by absolutely no one, so it would be greatly appreciated if you guys hit that like button, comment down below, or also subscribe to my channel to show your appreciation, or if you gain any value from these, like any of my unboxings, that would be greatly appreciated. I also do have a referral link down in the description below. If you guys check it out through my link, you will get a free fragrance and I will also get a free fragrance. So let's go ahead and continue today's video and check out Paco Rabanne's Invictus Intense. This one is a fantastic fragrance from all the reviews that I've seen. The Invictus Intense, and I think there's another flanker that I cannot recall currently, but the Invictus and the flankers have all been highly rated. Invictus is really known for the amber, the black pepper, the orange, and it also has orange blossom in there too, so it's a little bit of a different fragrance. It comes from an oriental fragrance family. It is very stylish in personality. It has an occasion of evening, and it is also a seasonal winter fragrance. According to Scentbox right now, it's saying that it would be best to be worn in the winter time, and although it is not currently winter, I went ahead and bought it anyway because if it smells good, I'll wear it any time of year. So let's go ahead and hop into it and do us a little fragrance test. Like I said before, do it up close. The first impressions on this one is absolutely fantastic. This is absolutely one of the best fragrances that I've actually gotten from Scentbox, and I've done probably a dozen now already on this channel. So super excited about this. At least a dozen, probably 20 or so. But definitely excited about this one. Let's go ahead and give the shirt a spray and check it out as well. I just now actually recently got both of these shirts from unboxing on my ThreadBeast subscription. So if you guys don't know about ThreadBeast, also check out the videos that I have on them as well. And that is really cool. If you guys like either of these shirts, that's where I got them from. So check that out. First impressions of the Paco Rabanne so far is that it reached me a lot quicker than the Carolina Herrera 212. So it projects really well, or at least for me, my nose picked it up a lot quicker than I did the 212. And up close and personal, even better. Even better. Outside of the bottle, when it's on the fabric, especially some fresh, brand new, ultra clean fabric that's like never even been worn before. Really great fragrance, guys. So definitely, if you guys want to check out either one of those fragrances, like I said, there's a link down in the description below. And Scentbox also carries over 850 other fragrances for you to check out as well. So definitely a lot of selection. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products for real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.